SIVGA has just released a new headphone. This is the Anser headphone. This headphone comes with a 50mm dynamic driver. The driver is a titanium plated dome diaphragm. It's very well made in many respects. It still maintains the retro wooden design that SIVGA to have been doing for several years. They make all their headphones with this wood design. They always keep to that, and they built a very strong reputation with that design. Now, this model also has a CNC machine sound chamber. There is the fact that it has a very comfortable ear pads this time compared to what the company has been doing for several years. They want someone that will buy it to have enough comfort and not complain about discomfort and dumping the headphone or changing it in general. Now, the other thing again is that they included a very good cable around the box. It's built very well and it's not too pricey. It's $220. That's the price tag. It does have a very nice look to it. Solid wood. That's something I'm a big fan of SIVGA for, because they still maintain that wood design, and in fact, most of their headphones always look classy compared to other competing brands that price their headphones around the same amount. So this I just really like. Now, build quality is solid. It has a very flexible headband. It's not going to latch onto your head and give you a serious discomfort over time, but you can make the decision for yourself. Look, this is a beast of a model. It's really, really nice. I think a lot of people will get their hands on it. For $220, you're getting a lot for it. So I will drop details down below for everyone to see. Do check it out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.